Okay, so far we have discussed symmetrical shapes and axis of symmetry, how to draw axis of symmetry of a two-dimensional shape. Now we are going to discuss mirror image of a point and of a line. For instance, let's suppose this is a line of symmetry here, okay? And then there is a point here. I want you to draw a mirror image of this point. Remember, the mirror image of this point will lie across the axis of symmetry, somewhere over here. Question is, how far will it be? If this point is at a distance of, let's suppose, 5 centimeter, so the mirror image of this point will be lying 5 centimeter across the axis of symmetry. Okay, this has to be perpendicular. So the point will be 5 centimeter away from the axis of symmetry, but on the other side. This is called the mirror image of a point. Is that clear? Okay. So this was the original point given. I wanted you to draw the mirror image of the point. Obviously, the mirror image is going to lie across the axis of symmetry. In the similar way, we asked you to draw mirror images of lines and then mirror images of other shapes as well. Okay. It could be multiple points. It could be other things as well. Okay. थोड़ा सा बेहतर बनाते हैं. Okay. Let me draw an axis of symmetry with this. This is now the axis of symmetry, much straight and much better. Okay. Let me try this. So, as I told you, if this is a point, this point is at a certain distance from the axis of symmetry. Okay. The perpendicular distance of this point from the axis of symmetry is, let's suppose, x, y, whatever. Okay. Whatever is this distance, this perpendicular distance of this point to this line of symmetry, the mirror image of this point will lie across the axis of symmetry at the same distance as this. Okay. Let's suppose this is 5 centimeter again. So the mirror image of this point will be 5 centimeter away from the axis of symmetry on the opposite side. So this perpendicular distance has to be 5 centimeter and this point will lie over here somewhere. For instance, there is one more point like this. Okay. So this point is, let's suppose, 2 centimeter away from the axis of symmetry on this side. So the mirror image of this point will lie over here. Okay. And this will be again on the same distance. And if I say that one of the points lie over here. Okay. And let's say this is 6 centimeter. So the mirror image of this point will lie across this line. And what will be the distance? Again, 6 centimeter. Okay. So these are the mirror images of these points. For instance, there is a point that lies on the line, on the axis of symmetry. So what is the mirror image of this point? The mirror image of the point which is lying on the axis of symmetry is the point itself. Okay? It's at no distance from the axis of symmetry. So this point is the mirror image of this point itself. So if I give you a point and then I ask you to draw lines of, if I ask you to draw mirror images of those points, so you know how to draw them. Okay? These were the points. For instance, I give you a line and then I ask you to draw lines of symmetry of those lines. Let's suppose this is a line. Okay? And then I want you to draw the mirror image of this line. Okay? For instance, first of all, this is the starting point of this and this is the ending point of this. How far apart are they from the axis of symmetry? Okay? Have a look at this. This is, let's suppose, 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter away. So the mirror image of this point should be 2 centimeter away on the other side, somewhere over here. Okay. This distance has to be same. This distance has to be same as this. Okay. Now the last point, this one. This point is, let's suppose, 5 centimeter away. So the mirror image of this point will be 5 centimeter to this side of the axis of symmetry. So this is going to be here. Okay. Hopefully you will get it on a grid paper or a graph paper, so it will be much easier for you to count. Okay? For instance, this, I hope this is visible. Let me just confirm. Yes, that much is there. Okay? There is a grid. This is the grid. Okay? And let's this is the axis of symmetry. I hope this is going to be visible. This is the axis of symmetry. Okay? And there is this line that I am drawing over here. Here. Okay. Let me try it one more time. Yes, here. Okay. So I want this line to be drawn on the other side. That I have, and now I want to see how far apart this line from the axis of symmetry. So this is the first point, this is the second point. How far apart this point is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away. So the mirror image of this point will be 5 units away on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point is over here, this distance. Okay. And then what about this point? How far apart is this point from the axis of symmetry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is where the point. And now I've got the points. I can just join this point. Okay, fantastic. I can just join this point with this one. Okay. What did I get? I got the mirror image of this line. I hope this was visible. Okay. So this is exactly what I am doing over here. Okay. This point is at a certain distance from this line, so this point is at the same distance. This point was at a certain distance from the axis of symmetry. This point is at the same distance. I just join these two points. Yeah, this was here. Okay. So I just join this point, these points, and I get the mirror image of the first line. Okay. Now, on this basis, you are going to get different kind of shapes drawn on one side, and then you will have to draw the mirror image on the other side. For instance, something like this. So you will have to identify how far is this point, how far is this point, how far is this point, and then how far is this point. Okay, whatever this is, then this, then let's suppose this, and then this much. Join these points, and then you get the mirror image of this shape. Is that clear? Okay. And what else can happen? Yes, one more thing. What else can happen? This can also happen. That this, and then this. Okay. Like I told you earlier, that the mirror image of each point lies on the other side of the axis of symmetry. How many points are there? This is the first point, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Let's talk about this one. Where is the mirror image of this point going to be? Here. Okay. This is where the mirror image of this point going to be. This is the first. Okay. What about this one? The mirror image of this point is going to be somewhere over here. This is also somewhere over here. This is somewhere over here, and this one is here. So when you join these points now, you get a mirror image like this. Oh, perfect. Oh, very good. Is that okay? So these are the things that I hope are clear. Usually we give you these shapes drawn on a grid, so it becomes much easier for you to understand. Okay? I have done it over here so that if you get it on a blank paper, so you can do it. Okay? After this, you can do page number 360, work example 1, practice now 1, try and do it in the book. Okay? And then work example 2, practice now 2, these are on grids. I hope you can see. Okay? And then page number 363. Kindly just get these questions done as soon as you see the video on page number 360 to page number 363, and then kindly show me these questions that you have done on the Google Classroom. Exercise 13A, question 1 and question number 2 I have already asked you to do it in the previous video. Now kindly make sure that you go through question number 3, question number 4. Okay, these are the same questions that you have done earlier. Then question number 5, 6 and 7, 8. Right now that should be enough. Okay, 8 till question number 8. You can do these questions, try and get them done as early as possible, because this is something that I'm just doing for a recall of the topic symmetry. So it will be very nice of you if you could do these questions as quickly as you see this video, and then inshallah in the next video tomorrow maybe we will move forward. Okay, up till now I've brought 3 videos in which we have discussed axis of symmetry, symmetrical shapes, and mirror image of a point, how to draw lines of symmetry of a given shape, and how to draw mirror image of a point or of a line across the axis of symmetry. I really hope these 3 videos will help you understand the beginning of the topic symmetry. These things are going to be very important for you to continue in the upcoming session or in the upcoming classes. Thank you so much. I really hope that you do understand the things that I discussed. We have tried our best to make sure that you get to understand everything. Thank you so much, and kindly get all the work done that I have asked you. Thank you so much.